Hey, what's up, guys? So the new Snowman 50 pence coin is out, and I've got to say, it's actually quite nice, isn't it? It's got the snowman hugging James on it, a bit of snow in the background falling from the sky, bit of well, this is the colored version, so a little bit of glow coming from the snowman, probably reflecting from the moon, which you wouldn't be able to see because it's snowing and it's cloudy. But yeah, so guys, what do you think of this 50 pence piece? I think it's quite nice. I do like it. It's going to come in all the options as normal. So, as I'm on my Chromebook, I can be pointing at things. We have the regular uncirculated pack. We'll have a look at that in a second. We've got a limited edition one that has a sticker on. That's basically all it is a sticker on the coin. Probably be able to get them for like £2 on eBay in a couple of weeks. You're gonna have the silver proof, and there should be, yep, there it is. Oh, look, what else we got down here? We got the gold proof over here. We'll have a look at that in a minute. We've got the minty Snowman edition money box, and we have a limited edition print for £65 of the actual picture that this coin is from. So we're going to go up to the top, and we're going to click on this one first, and we're going to have a look here, see what it's like. But yeah, so obviously it's gonna, I don't think it's gonna be put out into circulation like how most of the coins are nowadays, are not put out into circulation. So this version of the coin is going to cost you £10. It's right there. You can see on the actual packaging is the full picture of the snowman hugging James, and the coin will be over on the right hand side. Very nice looking packaging. There's a close up of the uncolored coin. Let's have an even closer look. There we go. How nice is that? Nice big smile from the snowman, and a nice like I'm falling asleep look from James. Then all the snow, it's just like little circles really falling around them. There's the queen side. We've seen that already on other coins. Then so so the packaging is like a card. So you can write a card. It's like a Christmas card basically. That's pretty cool. I didn't even read the description there. So this one is made out to Tommy. Love, mom and dad. What does it say? Wishing you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. May your home be filled with joy and laughter. And then there's the coin, all glowy, glowy. And there's the back of the packaging. So very nice packaging. I do like that it's in a form of a card. Does it say on here? Send an extra special card. Oh, yeah, it does. First line extra special card. How nice is that? That is actually really, really cool. To actually have the packaging as a Christmas card. You got Royal Mint exclusive. So when we jump over to Westminster, we shouldn't find that over there. So let's have a look and see what the packaging is going to be like for this one. So here's for an extra £10, you can have a sticker put on basically. So this one's going to be limited edition to 15,000. Let's have a look at the packaging of that. That's just the regular looking packaging that you're going to get here. No barcode. Snowman. The information of what the coin is made from. The designer. Name Robin Shaw. And then there's the front of the packaging. I'm guessing that will be the coin right there. Yeah, very nice again. Really do like the packaging on this one. The coin is actually really nice as well. So we're going to let's have a look at the packaging on the silver proof. So if you're going to spend £67 on the silver proof, what are you going to get? on the silver proof. So as always, you get it in like a plexiglass or plastic housing. It's got the snowman above. There we go. Nice looking again. I think it's just going to be the same sticker that they put on the regular version will be on this version as well. Maybe, you know. There's the back, well, the front technically, and there's the back. This one is going to be 67.50 with postage, and it's only limited edition to 7,000. So, guys, if you collect silver proofs, this will be one that you need to get quick or wait, because loads of people will buy loads and then the price will come down when they can't sell them on Facebook or eBay. So yeah, that's a really nice one. Do you like the box as well? Very, very nice. So we've seen the three main ones that people will be buying. Now let's have a look down at the gold proof. So basically the gold proof will be a gold version basically of the uncirculated one. And there it is. So as all gold proofs are, let's go up a little bit. There we go. Comes in a wooden box because it's gold and it has to come in a wooden box. And there it is. I always find they look more rosy than actual gold looking. So yeah, there's the snowman's face in gold. And there's James looks like he's falling asleep, doesn't he? It's actually a really sweet picture. Kind of looks like how me and my son look when we're giving a hug. So this one is limited edition to 275. The outer packaging, the sleeve, it looks like they've just used the silver proof one, isn't it? Look, you can see that it's like got a picture of like a landscape on the side. But yeah, that's really, really nice. Again, how much is this one? £1,125. So guys, if you've got the money and you want to lose a couple of £100, then you got that. Then should we look at let's look at the piggy bank. Let's have a look at Minty. I'm going to go through everything. There's no rush in this video. So we got Minty, the piggy bank. Let's have a close up of this one. There we go. So all over, it's snowing. It's snowing on Minty. There's the snowman and James, and a lovely snowy wintry background or landscape behind them. Really nice. There's Minty's bum. It's the wrong Mint. On the other side, it's just the same design, but obviously in the opposite direction. There's another view. There's another view. Quite nice, actually. How much? £150. Okay, so this is one of them piggy banks you're gonna want to smash open. This is a collector's piece. It could hold its value. It is limited edition to 250. That is £150 I won't be spending on that. And then we have this print. Yeah, the print is no longer available, but let's have a look at it anyway. So the print is there. 100 of them. Do you get a coin with it? Each print is signed and numbered by the artist, Robin Shaw. Did I call him Robert Shaw earlier? No, Robin Shaw. A rare opportunity to own an original coin design sketch. So it's just a sketch of the thing, of the actual coin. But yeah, again, really, really nice. It would have been nice if they would have put at least the BU coin in it, does it? Yeah, if they had somewhere where you had the BU, there's his signature there. All at 1 of 100. I wonder who's got that one. But yeah, it would have been nice if they bundled the at least the BU coin in there as well. That would have been quite nice. Have that in a frame with the coin in it as well. But yeah, so let's see what. Oh look, it's not exclusive because that hopefully is the silver proof. So we're over on Westminster Collection to see what they're offering. So there we go. Let's go down. So yep, they're not got the thingy, what's it called? The coloured BU version. They do have the £4.50 version as always, the gold. They have a bundle of last year's and this year's together. They have their own packaging Christmas card, cheaper than the Royal Mint, but the Royal Mint one is better looking. But we will click on it and see what there is. It might be a little bit slow because you can see the time in the bottom. People are still looking for it. So basically, let's have a look. Let's have a look at their card. So obviously they won't be allowed because of copyright to use. There we go. So because of copyright, they can't technically use the snowman pictures on the card. But look, it's just a plain, is it a plain card? You're literally paying, what is it? £1.50 more for a plain card that says Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year, when you can go to the cards, what's it called? Card Factory, the card store, and just cut the little shape out to put the card coin in. Yeah, and then it's got their branding on the back. Yeah, that's just buy the £10 one, guys, if you want to send it as a card. They've made their own coin cover. These I think are a waste of time. To be honest with you, for me, if the Royal Mint were doing them, then I would say go for it. But this, nah, they're just sticking it in an envelope with some tat. Is it even in an envelope? And then, yeah, look at that. So they got that looks pretty cool. Yeah, it's just certificate of authenticity. Okay. But yeah, that's to me that's a waste of money there. If the Royal Mail are selling the stamps this year like that, then just buy the stamps. It's no brainer really. But yeah, guys, what is your favorite version of this coin? Do you like the gold proof, the silver proof, just a regular looking one like that? Do you like the pictured one? The pictured one is nice though. It does look good. But for me, I always go for these ones, and I just have to wait for it to go onto eBay because I can't order through here because they're blacklisted my address. But yeah, yeah, I do like it. It's really nice. It's a really, really nice coin. As always, I am not sponsored to make these videos. I do them on my own accord. So I can say whatever I want. If I didn't like the coin, then I would tell you basically, like I have with the Winnie the Pooh ones. But yeah, I do like it. Guys, I know these two will be the most popular. If you are going to buy for a card gift for a special child or a coin collector then this would be the one to get, I think. Right here. Obviously, if they want the colored ones, you get the Royal Mint exclusive colored one. But yeah, really, really nice coin. Really, really like it. And I'm looking forward to next year's one. Hopefully they carry it on with the snowman for a couple more years, then move on to something else, just like simple Santa Claus or a Christmas tree would be nice as well. So guys, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the close-up look at the new Snowman pence piece. Let's go back to the beginning. I am working on a Teespring store. Oh, go away, you. So yeah, that's coming soon, probably beginning of January. I'll start putting the link on the videos. Guys, yep. So thank you very, very much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. So take care, guys, and goodbye and happy coin hunting. See you later.